Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canon EOS Utility for importing video clips, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your Canon camera and USB cable ready for connection. Begin by visiting the official Canon website. Navigate to the support section. Search for EOS Utility in the search bar. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download link. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Accept the terms and conditions when prompted. Choose your installation preferences if given options. Click on Install to begin the actual installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Connect your Canon camera to your computer using the USB cable. Turn on your Canon camera. Launch the EOS Utility software on your computer. Select the option to import video clips when prompted. Choose the clips you want to import or select all. Select the destination folder where you want to save the imported clips. Click Import to begin transferring your video clips. Wait for the import to finish before disconnecting your camera. Once complete, you can view and edit your imported video clips as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.